Mira todo el aceite que ves, saca video del aceite. Tiene un chingo de aceite dentro. A ver. Alright, y'all, what's up? Working on a R22 unit. We got stage 1 that has a grounded compressor. Stage 2 has a restriction in it. It was installed back in 2023. So it looks all overheated, it's flaking. So it shows signs of it overheating, but it has a really bad restriction in the system. And I'm flushing out the system right now. I ended up getting some nitrogen and trying to shoot it. This is my stage 1. Stage 2, so they got it backwards for some reason. So on this one, it shows my circuit 1 is my right side and my circuit 2 is my left side for some reason, but the direction of the refrigerant goes this way. So I flushed it that way and try to go through, and you can hear it gurgling from the low side on the return. So I ended up just putting nitrogen through my low side, and it just keeps flushing out oil, you know. So I did as much as I could. I ran out of nitrogen already. So I'm gonna put it all back together and then try to see how it responds after that with the charge. And what's cool about this is you can kind of use different refrigerants. Right now, currently, it uses R22 originally, but we could use different options. So we might go 422D, or 422B, sorry, Bravo. And it should do the trick, or 407C. Just gotta verify if the compressor is POE, because the 407 only works with POE oil. So for now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll give you an update after I charge it and finish the weld. So this is a before. All right, usually you gotta worry about the other stage having refrigerant, but this one has a leak on it and it's empty completely. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I could put my flame around it with confidence. I have no, but you do gotta watch out for burning this one, because you putting your flame too close, the thing will bust in your face. Pause at damn.